Some Nigerians living in Guangzhou, China are unhappy with the way some of their fellow countrymen are behaving in a video that has now gone viral online. A man spoke on behalf of the Nigerian community there. He said the actions of a few people are giving all Nigerians a bad name. He talked about things like street fights, court activities, and other forms of bad behavior. It's very, very shameful, the man said. You got a visa and came all the way to China just to fight and cause trouble. He said that in the past, people who behaved badly were sent back to Nigeria. He gave example of people who fought during a visit and were later deported. The man warned that Chinese government could work with Nigerian authorities to send more people home if bad behavior continues. You're an ambassador of Nigeria, he said, act like one. He also encouraged others to focus on work and business, not violence. Other foreigners like American, Japanese, and Arabs are here. But they don't act like this, he said.
Our people are using their hands to destroy the image of Nigeria here. Nobody is under 18 here. And if you are up to 18, you are liable to face any punishment owing to what you have done. Now, we see videos of fighting. We see videos of so many things, cultism and all the rest of them. Remember in this Gotai that you people have made an epic center for fighting. I know 4 guys who fought in this place. They are no longer in China today. They have gone back to Nigeria. Yes. I know people will remember the incident. Yes. Good. The day Bilod came, one guy fought. Today, we know where he is. The reason why I'm saying this is that you came here and you are given opportunity to be documented. And all you have been doing is going from one police station to the other. It is not a norm. That is not a norm. The older people here, they wouldn't even want any authority to see their documents. That is the norm. So we have to have this orientation and understand that you are in another man's land. You bought tickets, you got visa. All you are doing in China is fighting and causing nuisance. Who are you?
Terrorizing the people.
Do you know that Nigerian community has the ability to write and then say that we don't want you in China again as a community and it must be obeyed? Yes. You go back to Nigeria. So conduct yourself very well. Do your business very well. Every business idea you see on earth today comes from a single individual. You see banks, you see aircraft, you see so many things. But for our own, we'll be drinking ourselves to stupor. You wouldn't even have the time to think and then do a business. All you have to do is fighting from one street to the other, destroying the image of your family and that of Nigeria. You are here as a good ambassador of your family and that of your country.
Power.
We make ourselves animals here because of the way we live. Let me ask this question. How many times have you seen Chinese fighting in the streets of Lagos? Never. Do you see that? No. Do you think we are the only foreigners living here? There are Arabs here. There are Japanese here, there are Europeans, Americans, South Americans, Russians. They are here, but they are not behaving the way we do. Please, and please, let us conduct ourselves very well. And the so-called cultists, there is a history in this land. The people that did it before, ask where they were now. Ask questions. Because some of you just came and you thought that the way you met here is the way it used to be.
Here is not
there has been history here. Here is not Dubai, here is not Turkey. Let me say it again. Every action has consequences. So please, conduct yourself very well. If you have any problem with your fellow Nigerian.
People on social media supported his message. Reports say that in 2017, at least 535 Nigerians were in Chinese prisons, many for drug-related crimes. In Guangzhou alone, 2 out of every 200 Nigerian visitors were arrested for similar reasons.
Our people are using their hands to destroy the image of Nigeria
in the comment
here.
box section below. We'll continue to supply.
Nobody is under 18 here.
Please stay tuned
and if you are
to
up to 18,
NaijaNews TV.
You are liable.